drifts. Take one. But the only weird part is we're used to having a lot of angle in them, so you try and push it real far and you can't recover after you go too far. Other than that, what else? Is there anything else you don't like?
Honestly, no.
Other than that, everything you could want is there.
Getting great tire wear.
Let's check that tire wear, because that's a big deal when you're drifting. If you ain't getting even tire wear, you ain't in a drift car. Perfect tire wear. Perfect tire wear. I want to give a shout out to my sponsors, my boys at Michelin. I'm just joking, they don't sponsor me, but it'd be a lot cooler if they did. 10 out of 10, good test sesh.
Yeah, it's definitely a weird car to drive when you've never driven one before. Not even driving one, but to, like, to drift it. Weird, but killer car, killer deal. Gonna make it sick drift car here in a couple weeks.
All I'm saying is it's the coolest Miata ever.
Coolest Miata.